list, sir. When we should go for list to represent an ordered collection of objects. I want to represent an ordered collection of objects. If you want to represent a group of objects according to order, then we require to go for list. How you can represent, sir? Whenever we are using the list, compulsory square bracket 10, 20, 30, 40, something like within square brackets we can represent it is the list, sir. Sir, list is immutable or not? Once we create list object, happily we can perform any changes in that object. That's why it is not immutable, means it is a mutable, right? Sir, now insertion order preserved or not? Yes. In which order we added elements to the list, same order only inside memory will be stored. That's why insertion order preserved. Remember this one, insertion order preserved, right? Sir, indexing concept, once order is there, which is the first element, second element, like indexing, slicing, such type of concept applicable. Okay, duplicate objects are allowed or not? Yes, duplicate objects are allowed, no problem at all. So here insertion order preserved, duplicate objects are allowed. So if you want that, then we require to go for what? List concept. Okay, well,